Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 8th, 2021. We are going to give you all a price prediction in the market for SOS Limited. As you all can tell, we've seen some climactic volume come into the market yesterday for SOS Limited. We're going to break that down as to what that means and to where price is going to go. Now, before I break that down, before I show you the two options that we got ongoing on our Thinkorswim platform, if you appreciate the video, if you appreciate the unconfusingness that we have going on our price chart, and you appreciate the heads up as to where price is anticipated to go, then before you head out, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel. Tap that bell notification as well so you become notified whenever we upload our videos to this platform. So real quick, I want to show you the two options that we got ongoing on our Thinkorswim platform. You guys can see we got Rite Aid with 22 days left. We bought a put option in the market, expecting Rite Aid to continue to drop in price. As you can see right now, we're down $99 on that particular play. And then we got our second option, which we bought a call option for Sealed Air. And we have 43 days left before that call option expires. And we're down $125 there. All right, so we can take a quick look at the price chart for those two stocks, and you guys can see that generally we still have some time left to allow the market in Rite Aid give us some weakness, some movement to the downside. But as of right now, it's not going the way that we expected it to go, right? But we still have 22 days left in the market to see that play out. All right, but we won't wait until the last day of that option before we actually close it out. Now let's take a look real quick at Sealed Air. So this is Sealed Air right here too. Like I said, we got 43 days before that option expires. Still got enough time to actually see this market increase in price. All right, so now let's break down this SOS price prediction into the market. You guys can tell, like I told you, the volume has been climactic on yesterday. What does it mean? Well, it simply means that either the bigger institution, well, definitely the bigger institution participated in the market in SOS yesterday. This is not strictly retail investors. Like the market in SOS yesterday, we had some big institutions come in and had to purchase these shares at that particular price. I mean, we closed all the way down here into the market in SOS around $4.50, and we were still able to maintain, even amongst all the volume, closing the price at $5.78. So that lets me know that generally we've changed the overall price level to where the market in SOS was trading. I mean, you can see it from a daily perspective that we were in a downtrend for the most part, right? We were trending lower in the market in SOS. And it started all the way back here on March the 18th, all the way until April the 6th. The market has just been dropping in SOS. Well, yesterday we broke that trend, and so much so that we do have a new area of support which has already been established yesterday right there around $5.20 all the way back down to $5, right? Now we can still see the market come down here to $4.20 and still touch this ascending descending line, right? But that downtrend has been broken. So real quick, let's take a look at this on a 2-day time frame. And generally, there's going to be a lot of volatility coming into this particular stock. So the market movement is going to be substantial based off the amount of volume that came in yesterday and based off how small that spread was. Like when you look at this on an hourly time frame, all this volume only came in on this very tight spread, right? The market traded all of that volume from $5.25 to around $6. Okay. And that generally lets us know that this market still wants to hold price in that vicinity. And really, I don't see no indication that that market in SOS is done with moving higher in price. I don't see that as of right now. And I really won't see that until we see this market at least come all the way back down to $4.20. Okay. So let me look at this on the 3-day time frame. And here on the 3-day time frame, pretty much lets me see how strong this market really is, how massive this volume came through. I mean, look at the volume on this 3-day price bar right here. Okay, look at this volume right there. And look at the spread though, massive spread. So it was real easy for the trap to increase the price in SOS on this 3-day price bar than what it was on this current one. So obviously someone bought up some shares in SOS. Was it because they wanted to, or was it because they were forced to buy more shares because of their call options being assigned? Makes you wonder. So real quick, what we're going to do on this video, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in the SOS. Okay, so now I said that $4.20 will have to be maintained as support in order for that to come to fruition, and our area of price that we're expecting the market to try to come towards would be here around $7. It might fall a little bit lower than that. Let me look at this on a different time frame, but yeah, it's going to be around $7. All right, and around $7 is where we will be expecting the market in SOS to try to tag out at. Okay, so this is it. This is our expectation as to what we're seeing into the market in SOS. We might go lower initially in the beginning phase, but what happened into the market yesterday lets us know that the bigger institutions had to participate into this stock, whether it was willingly or they were unwilling to. They was forced to do it. Time will tell that. Okay, so let me see this here. Okay, so let's do that. Let's break this down. This is our first price prediction into the market for SOS Limited. Now it's your turn. I want you all to drop a comment below and let me know where do you think the market in SOS is going to go over the next couple of trading days. Let me know where you think the price is going to go and where would you take your profits at. Drop us a comment in the comment section. And again, let's not make it confusing. We're simply here to give you all the news according to the charts, all without being confused. So now let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.